We come to this place for connection, for tradition, for those memories made inside these walls that echo here still. Built in 1896, Dahl Chapel has been the heart of Monmouth College for over a century. It's more than just bricks and mortar. It's a sanctuary where generations have laughed, cried, worshipped, celebrated, and united as one Monmouth Fighting Scots family. This space has given so much to us. Now it's our turn to give back by upgrading the audiovisual equipment to better meet today's needs. A century's worth of momentous occasions have happened here, and many more are yet to come. Imagine what we could achieve with sound that inspires, that envelops every listener in its warmth. This is Monmouth's moment. Together, we can ensure that Dahl Chapel continues to be the place where magic happens, a place where every note is heard, every word resonates, and every moment feels unforgettable. Join us in preserving the legacy of Dahl Chapel. Your gift will not only restore its voice, but amplify its future for students, alumni, and for generations yet to come. On this Scots Day of Giving, support the Dahl Chapel audiovisual system.